Good evening.
Hello,
Hello, good evening and welcome. Welcome to our class for today. How are you today?
I'm good.
I'm good. Did you already eat your dinner for today? Or still no?
Yeah, eat
Yes.
fried rice and chicken.
Oh, rice and chicken. Wow. Is it
Yeah.
chicken soup or fried chicken?
Uh, fried chicken.
Oh, wow. That's very delicious. We have the same. I also eat chicken, but I eat chicken soup for dinner. And my favorite food is fried chicken. What's your favorite food now?
Chicken.
Chicken? Fried chicken also? Or
Fried.
chicken soup?
McDonald. Fried chicken. McDonald.
Fried chicken is your favorite food.
McDonald.
Oh, McDonald.
McDonald.
What McDonald?
McDonald.
McDonald? Is that a Vietnam word?
Yes.
Ah, so it means fried chicken.
MC. MC. McDonald.
Ah, MC
Donald.
how do you spell that? DONO?
McDonald.
Like that?
McDonald's.
Ah, McDonald's. Oh, okay, I know now. Like this. McDonald's. Like that? Oh, yeah, this one, McDonald's. Oh, do you know I worked before in McDonald's? I worked before at McDonald's. Yeah, that's why I know how to make drinks at McDonald's. I also know how to make fries, or French fries at
Ah.
McDonald's. Yeah, I became a crew before, and I every day I eat chicken at McDonald's because that is my work. That is my job before. Yeah, I also like McDonald's. It's very delicious, very, very delicious fried chicken. Okay, so now are you ready for our lesson today?
Okay.
Okay,
Mm.
okay, so let's start. So we have here our lesson 4, which will be we will be practicing your language. How do you use your language, especially in sentence? But before that, so we previously learned about different body parts. So by looking at this picture, what is this? What do we call this? What's that in the picture?
Body.
But
Body.
very good. It's body. How many body do you have? How many?
One.
One. Very good. Only one body.
Only one.
Okay, very good. That's feet. 2 feet. But if we only have one, we say foot. How about this one? What's
Mouth.
this? Mm,
Mouth.
very good. Mouth. What is the color of your mouth? What's the color of your mouth? What color?
I don't.
Mouth. You don't know?
know.
Really?
Yes. Yes.
It's mostly color pink. It's color
Pink.
pink. Yes. So that is the color of our mouth, especially in this picture. It's color
Why?
pink. But in the inside, it's color red. Yeah, that is our mouth. Oh,
This
are you drawing your mouth?
Yes.
It's not a mouth. It looks
Yes.
it looks like glasses, an eyeglasses. It looks like Harry Potter's eyeglasses. Okay, that is a mouth. What color is the mouth that you draw? What color is that? It's color
Red.
red. Very good. How many mouths do you have? How many? How many
One.
mouths?
One.
I have I have
One. Wow.
one mouth. Very good.
2 mile, 3 mile, 4 mile.
Next, what is this?
Feet.
Feet. Very good. Okay, how about if we only have one? So, shall we still call it as feet if we only have one? Shall we
Foot.
call very good. So we call it that
Feet.
foot. So if we
Foot.
only
Feet. Feet.
if we have two or more, we call it as feet. How many feet do you have?
Feet.
How many do you have? How many feet?
Two.
Okay, let's say I have.
Two.
Let's say it in a sentence. I have
2 feet.
2 feet. Very good. Are your feet small or big?
Small. Small.
Okay, so they are s- small. Okay, very good. So next, how about this one? What is this?
Yeah.
What's that?
Ear. Ear.
Ear. Very good. Ear. What
Ear.
if we have two? What if we have two? Shall we still call it as ear? Shall we call it as ear?
Yes.
Hmm? If we have two? Two,
No. Yes.
two
Yeah.
ear? Really?
1 ear.
One ear.
2 ear.
Two
Two.
ear. So we only call it as
One,
ear.
two, 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 two.
Okay, remember if we have two or more things, so we shall add s. So it will become two ears.
Yes.
Okay, again, what if we have one? One,
1 ear.
two.
2 ears.
Very good. So that is ears. Next, how about that one? What is that?
This is the arm. Arm.
Arm. Very good. What if we have two?
Arm.
Two. Two arm?
Two. Two. Two.
Two. Two arm?
Two arms.
Very good. So two arms. Very good. So we will add letter S. So now let's say I have two. How
I
many?
have 2 arms.
Very good. I have two arms. Good job. Your pen is so cute. It has a bunny. It has a little bunny. So cute. Okay, next. This one. What is this?
Mm, Eyes.
Eyes. Very good. So we call it as eyes because we have here two. But what if we only have one? Shall we still call it as eyes?
Hmm.
If we only have one eyes or one eye?
Hmm. Two eyes.
Two eyes. What if we only have one? One?
One.
One what? What if we only have one? One eye or one eyes?
One eye.
With S?
Eye.
Very
Eye.
good. Eye, only eye. One eye. Very good. Because we only use this eyes if we have two. How many eyes do you have?
Two eyes. One,
Very,
two.
very good. I have
Not
two
three. Not three.
eyes. How about monsters? Monsters. Usually
Three and one.
three and one. Three eyes or one eye? Okay, very good. Next body part. What is that?
Twice.
Face. Very good. This is face. Okay. How many face do you have?
I have a one face.
I have one face. Very good. And do you wash your face? Do you wash your face? Hmm.
Yes.
Yes, very good. Is it in the morning or at night? When do you wash your face?
Night and morning.
Okay, let's say I wash my face
I
in.
wash my face in the morning and at night.
Very good. So that's it. How about in when we say in mouth? Oh, this one. In your mouth.
My
What sound can you make with your mouth? Ngok. What sound can you make with your mouth? Can you whistle using your mouth?
sing
Whistle. Whistle.
whistle.
Can you whistle like this? Let me show you. Whistle. Mm,
Um,
this one. Can you do this one?
what sound can you make with your mouth?
This one. Can you do this?
I can say
Not that one. Wait, let me go back. Can you do that? Can you whistle?
I don't I don't.
Here. The-
Whistling with your mouth sounds like this. See? Whistling with your mouth sounds.
Can you do that?
No.
Oh. I also cannot whistle. So that is whistle or whistling using our mouth. But what sound can you make using your mouth? Do you sing a song? Do you
Yes.
sing?
Yes. Sing.
Yes. Oh, so okay. I can sing.
I can sing.
Okay, very good. And for your feet, what
For your
what shoes do you wear on your feet? What shoes do you wear? Is it like a rubber shoes? What shoes do you wear?
shoes.
Yeah, what's your favorite shoes that you wear in your feet? You don't have a favorite shoes?
Shoes.
Yeah, shoes. Shoes.
Uh,
You don't know
yes,
shoes? Like
shoes.
like these shoes. What shoes do you have? What
I
shoes
can
do you
have. I have
Yeah. What what's your favorite shoes?
a shoe.
Yeah, do you have a favorite shoes? Do you have? Yes or no?
Yes.
Uh,
Mm,
oh, what's your favorite shoes?
I don't.
Ah, you don't have a favorite shoes?
Yeah.
Really? Why? Why no? Because me, my favorite shoes is a white shoes. White and black
Oh,
shoes.
I
Yeah.
don't.
You don't? Mm. So usually we wear shoes in our feet, especially when we go outside, so that our feet will get protected. Okay. How about do you walk to your school using your feet? Ngok, do you walk to your school using your feet?
Mm.
Do you walk? Do you walk to your school using your feet? Yes or no? Mm.
Um, not shoes.
Yeah, do you walk? Do you use your feet to walk to your school or do you have a car?
No, I
You
don't.
don't, you don't have a car?
Um, I
But
have
do
a
you
car. I have a car.
Yeah,
Uh,
you have a car. But do you walk to your school or your mother fetch you to go
I
to
don't
school?
walk in the walk to yours. Do
Ah,
you?
you don't walk. Oh, you ride a car?
No.
What do you ride? How do you go to your school? How do you go to your school? If you're not using your feet, do you ride
Uh,
a car?
no,
Do you go by bus?
no,
Or you just walk?
no.
How do you go? How do you go to your school? How?
Mo
Huh?
motor motorbike.
Bạn đến trường bằng cách nào?
Ah, I use motorbike to go to school. Okay, again. How do you go to your school? I use.
I go to school.
Oh, very good. Okay, so thank you so much. Next, let's have another body part. What is this?
Uh,
What's this? Is it also feet?
no,
No. What is that? Hmm. What's that? Start with letter L. You forgot?
um,
What's that? This one. This body part. What do we call that? What's that? L E L-E.
Leg.
Hmm,
Leg.
very good. So this is leg. What if we have two? How do we call leg if we have two? Hmm. How do we call leg if we have two? Very
Leg.
good. So two legs. How many legs do you have?
2 legs.
I have.
I have a 2 legs.
Okay, again. So we will not add I have a two legs because when we say so we are talking about only one. Since we are talking about two legs, so we will remove this one. So we will say I have two legs.
I
Uh,
have leg.
Okay, again, how many legs do you have?
We have 2 legs.
Okay, very good. So that's it. So we will remove because we can say it if we have or we are describing one thing. For example, I have a leg. So that
I,
means we own
I
yeah,
have a leg.
yeah. So that means we only have one. I have a leg. So um we do not need to use I have a one leg. So we can just say I have a leg because that means one. I have a leg. But we cannot use it if we are talking about two. Okay? So we will just remove that one. Instead of saying I have a leg or I have two legs, we will say I have two legs. Okay? So next, how about this one? I think
Toe.
this one is
Tail.
okay, very good. So this one is tail, not toe. So when or where can we see this body part? Ngok. Where can we see this body part?
I don't.
You don't know? Where? Is it can we see tails in people or in animals? Ngok.
Hmm.
Can we see tails in people or in animals?
No.
Very good. So we can see tails
Tail.
in
And
animals.
animal.
Okay, very good. Because people doesn't have tails. Okay, very good. So this is tail. What if we have two? Two.
Tails.
Very good. Two tails. Do you have a tail?
No.
No, I
Dog.
don't. Very good. No, I don't. Okay. Next, what body part is this?
Hair.
Hair. Very good. Hair. What if we have many hair? How do we call it? If we have many hair. What if we have many hair? What do we call
One,
it?
two, one, two,
Two. What if we have many? Many. So if we only have one, we call it as hair. What if we have many? We call it, shall we call it also as hair?
three.
Shall we call it as hair? For example, if we have two hair
Um,
or two hairs.
no,
What is the
no.
correct answer? Hair or hairs?
Hairs.
Very good. Two hairs. Good job. Next. Okay, this one. What body part is this? What's that? What's this? What do we call this?
Oh,
Huh? This? What are these? What is this body part? It's what body part? What body part? It's
uh,
it's
is
what body part is that? Is that a feet? Is that feet?
no.
No, what is that?
Oh my God. Hands.
Very good. Hands. How many hands do you have?
hand,
How
Hand.
many hands? Yes.
Two.
How many hands do you have?
2 hands.
I have.
2 hands.
Okay, we say it in a complete sentence. Again, how many hands do you have? How do we say it in a sentence, or how do we answer it in a sentence? I have.
I have 2 hands.
Very good. I have 2 hands. So that is how we answer how many hands do you have? Next. How about this? Is this also a hand?
Nose. No.
Nose. Very good. This is nose.
nose,
How many nose do you have?
1
One,
and 1. 1.
one.
1.
How many nose? In a sentence. I have.
I have 1 nose.
Very good. I have 1 nose. Very good. Okay. So,
head,
this one. What is this again?
Oh.
Head. Very good. This is head. How many head do you have?
head,
How many
Head.
head?
1 hand.
I have.
1 hand.
Okay, very good. I have 1 head. Next one is this one.
Huh?
Okay, so let's start this activity. So look and
Oh, no.
write the words. So let's start
Oh,
with
no.
this one. Oh no,
Spider.
spider. Can you write spider?
Okay.
Wow, very good. Spider. How about this one? Number two. This one, number 2. Let's start with number 2. Number 2.
Ear.
What letter is this?
Ear.
Yeah,
A,
what
A.
letter? Very good. Year. Next. This will be
E.
the last number. Huh? Okay, very good. Okay. So for this one, Ngok, so we will continue this activity in our next lesson, which is on Wednesday. So make sure to review all of the body parts that we had learned, okay? Okay, so thank you so much for your time today, Ngok. See you again on Wednesday. Goodbye.